Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to Lesson 4 Composition Project Point 6. It's all relative. So once again, we are working with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and now we are going to transform it into minor. So what I'm going to want you to do first is to list out the scale degrees in minor. So in this case, I'm just going to write it above here. 1, 1, 5, 5, 6 could be in minor, but more characteristically, 5, 5, flicks, flicks, 5, 4, 4, flee, flee, 2, 2, 1, 5, 5, 4, 4, flee, flee, 2, Great, okay. Set up a new grand staff. Keep the same key signature. Okay. But now we're writing in minor. So it's not going to be D major anymore. It's going to be the relative minor. And we're going back to our original time signature. Relative minor, hence the lesson title. It's all relative. So now instead of D major, it's going to be B minor. So I'm going to go ahead, write in my melody. So instead of 1, we're on 1, 1, 5, 5, flicks, flicks, 5, 4, 4, flee, flee, 2, 2, 1. Now I've chosen to write it down here. So as I'm writing my left-hand part, I'll have to keep in mind that I don't want to accidentally hit like the same note or hit higher in the left hand than the right hand. So that's something I'm going to have to be aware of. I could also have chosen to write this an octave higher. And maybe I'll regret doing this, but we're already too far in. So all of this is happening, and then we're going to write chord symbols underneath the bass staff, and it's going to be very similar to the chord symbols we have up here, just, changing the mode. So instead of major 1, it's going to be minor 1, minor 4, minor 1. 5, 7 stays the same, but remember it's going to need an accidental. Cadence types are going to stay the same because that's how cadences work. And then harmonize your tune in the bass staff with the keyboard texture. Again, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but maybe now, I could do a stride piano sort of thing. But as I mentioned, the fact that the melody is so low doesn't give me super amount of room on the bottom here. It doesn't say it can't be basic chords, so I might just write some block chords here. And just kind of take that from 2 staves up. So my 1 chord, my 4 chord, and then my 5-7 chord, which I remind you will need an accidental. And then, etc., etc., fill the rest in. See you next time.